Today we've just got a quick product highlight for you, the so-called fastest multi-camera battery charger from XTAR, the SN4. So this is a modular battery charger that comes with a center base module sporting a USB-C connection. Of course, the cable and wall outlet adapter are included, and there's an LCD screen showing four 4-stage battery level status lights. There are snap-on connections on both sides of the base with separate release buttons for each side, and 7 different modules for all kinds of camera batteries. You've got NP-FZ100, Sony L, and Canon LPE6 batteries, which I've been using myself, as well as EN-EL15, NP-FW50, LPE17, and LPE8 combinations. You can mix and match and swap out all of these however you need, charging up to 4 batteries at the same time. Now, depending on the number of batteries, the adapter type, and the battery's own resistance, this supports up to 3 amp quick charging, and there are 2 amp and 3 amp icons under the battery level meters to tell you when it's using either of those currents. If neither of those are lit up, it means that it's using less than 2 amps, and I'll put a chart on screen to give you an idea of how this works with what number and what type of batteries if you're into those tech specs. And that really is it. This has worked great for me so far. There's been no problems, and all of the battery level meters seem to be accurate. It fully charges them and no problems whatsoever. It's been much better than having 3 or more separate chargers and cables all plugged in individually. I like to clear up clutter whenever possible, and this really helps. So let me know if you have any questions or comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.